Troubleshooting an LG air conditioner that is not cooling. If your LG air conditioner is not cooling, there are a few things you can check that may help you resolve the issue without a technician. Let's troubleshoot. First, is there an error code on the display? If so, go to lg.com/support, then click on Product Support, then Help Library, then enter error codes, room air conditioner in the search bar. Select the error code you're seeing, then follow the instructions for that particular error code. If you do not see an error code, here are some steps to follow. One of the most common reasons an air conditioner will lose cooling performance is a dirty, clogged air filter. Make sure the filters in your unit are clean and replace them if needed. Please refer to the product owner's manual for instructions. If the unit is running, make sure the condenser coils are not frozen. If they are frozen, shut the unit off and allow the coils to defrost before powering it back on. Note that the unit requires 208/230 volts on a 20 amp circuit to operate correctly. Please ensure that your wall outlet provides the required power. To maintain the best cooling performance, make sure that the fresh air vent is closed. To do this, simply push in the ventilation lever to the closed position. Next, run a compressor test. To do this, unplug the unit for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Use a stopwatch if needed. Then plug the unit back in and power it on. Set it to cool and turn the temperature all the way down. Set the fan speed to high. Now listen for the compressor to engage. It should take about 30 seconds. If the compressor does not come on after 30 seconds to 1 minute, the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. If the compressor comes on, hold your hand in front of the unit for 2 minutes. If the unit is not cooling down and the outside temperature is not above 95 degrees Fahrenheit, a repair service will be required. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.